Welcome back to Kepner Property Management. My name is Nathan. Today is day 3 of our landscaping project. Our grass seed just came. 27 pounds of sunshade mix just came in the mail. Super heavy. So I'm gonna set up the tripod and I'm gonna basically be screening the dirt and then flipping it upside down to mix up the dirt, and then I'll just dump a bunch of black dirt on top. So I'm just gonna do that for you and hopefully sit back and enjoy. One other thing is, I think I'm gonna make it worse and not better, so hopefully I actually make it better than it is right now. Guys, I made it worse. Look, I made it worse. I'll see you when... blah. So guys, I made a huge mess. I'm gonna try doing one other thing. I'm gonna use the backhoe instead to like loosen the dirt up. I made a huge mess. I also found a tree root and I've already damaged it. So we're gonna cut it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, quickly. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're gonna be picking up the rototiller right now. So I already got the 3-point hitch on to the BX23S. I've taken the BT603 off, backhoe off, and my dad's picking up the flatbed trailer, and we're gonna load this bad baby up, go over to my grandma's and pick up the rototiller. I'll see you when we get there. Okay, so I'll show you something. So right here is the grass seed. Scott's sunshade mix. This is 20 pounds and this is 7 pounds. So that's what we got right there. So that grass seed is for a future project. If you did not see yesterday's video, I did a project right here. Oh, sorry about the wind. Right here, I put black dirt here and then seeds. I got this all rototilled. It was kind of fun, especially with the blue tractor. It's massive. So yeah, we shredded everything up. It was pretty cool. Lots of dry marks all over the grass. But, you know, we might have to do that. We're not sure if we need all this dirt from the dump trailer. It's not very much. So, yeah. When I got back, I saw the GoPro was at about 5%. And I was like, oh, I can finish the intro in that last 5%. Apparently did not, so I had to charge it just a little bit, but then I decided, oh, it's taking too long, I'll just switch the battery. It's a good thing to have 2 batteries for your camera. So right now I'm just putting all the stuff away and the flags away. And we got the backhoe back on the boat Kubota, which it's all wrapped up. So, yep, quite a day today. I've been working like for a really long time, since like 3 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock right now. So I've been working for a while. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time.